Uploading documents to a permit. To upload documents to your permit via the Customer Self-Service Dashboard, or CSS, you will navigate to your dashboard either by using a saved link to the CSS login page or by going through the City of Grants Pass website. From the home page of the City of Grants Pass website, you will scroll down to the Licenses and e-Permitting card. When you click on this card, it will open the page that lets you choose to log in or register, search public records, explore maps, and pay an invoice. Click the box that says Log in or Register. Should this action populate a box that states you are navigating to a different page, click OK. Because I have already visited my CSS dashboard, you will not see that pop up on my screen. By clicking OK, it will bring you to the Sign In to Community Access Services page. Here, you are going to enter your email address, then click Next. If this is your first time logging into your CSS dashboard, you may see the options to verify with email or verify with password. If you choose to verify with email, the system will email you a code to log in with each time you log in. If you choose to verify with password, you will enter your password each time you log in. Once you have entered either your code or your password, click Verify. This will bring you back to the home page of the CSS. However, there are two small differences on this page from the previous page. Please note, your name will be in the upper right corner next to the shopping cart, and on the black banner next to the Home button, it now says Dashboard. From here, click on Dashboard. On this page, you will see My Permits, Building Permit Applications, My Plans, Planning applications such as pre-apps or site plan reviews, My Inspections, inspections for your building permits, My Invoices if you have any unpaid fees, and My Licenses if you have a business. Under the My Permits and My Plans headings, you will see Attention, Pending, Active, Recent, and Drafts. Each of these links will take you to a list of your permits in that category. By clicking on the View My Permits under the Attention card, it will bring you to a list of your most recent and pending permits. Locate the permit number you are wanting to upload documents to. Then click on the blue hyperlink permit number. By clicking on the blue hyperlink permit number, you will navigate to the permit. On this page, you will see your permit number in the upper left corner, permit details, a summary, locations, fees, reviews, inspections, attachments, contacts, sub-records, and more info, progress, workflow, and available actions. Here you will click on the Attachment tab. On this tab, you will see the Permit Authorization Property Owner Verification form already uploaded, as the permit technician did this for you when creating your permit. An Impervious Surface Calculations attachment card that is required if your project is adding any impervious surface to your property or changing the footprint of a structure on your property. A Site Plan card, as a site plan is required for all projects, and a card that has a drop-down box to select your document category. To determine the category each document should be in, please refer to the email that has been sent that includes your permit number and a PDF of the uploading instructions. This email would have covered the naming standards of your documents, how the documents need to be uploaded, and an example of sheet name versus category. When you click on the plus symbol inside each card, the action will open the File Explorer on your computer. At this time, you will navigate to the location within your File Explorer to locate the documents that you would like to upload. Please note that all documents should be named to the outlined naming standard within the previously received email prior to uploading. You will not have the opportunity to rename your document once they have been uploaded. Once all required documents have been uploaded, the Submit button will highlight when you scroll over it. If the Submit button does not highlight, you are missing a required document. Please upload that document now, then click click Submit. You will receive a green banner just above your document that states, "The file upload was submitted successfully." You may log out at this time. Should any other information be required for review, we will reach out to you via your preferred contact method.